How to download Mailchimp email as PDF. From the main page of Mailchimp, we want to go to campaigns, and here it will automatically open up all campaigns. So we want to select the email that we want to save as PDF. So for example, I am going to click on this one that I want saved, and from here then you will be able to see this option to preview it. So if you want to preview this email, we will click on this button right here, which is going to open up a new page. If we want to save it as PDF, then all we have to do is right click on the side of the email and click on print. And for the destination, you want to click on or select save as PDF and then click on save. It will ask you for the direction where you want to save this email, and we can just do desktop here, save. And now this just downloaded the email itself as a PDF. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.